Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to prepare a very delicious pumpkin curry. It's simple to prepare, but the pumpkin I'm using today is from Northeast, Manipur, and it's very different from the pumpkin we get here. And the next dish is again a very special salad recipe. It's chicken with Anmaru. It's a wild vegetable. And the third dish is bitter gourd with dry prawns fry. This pumpkin is already mature, it's yellow in color. Oh, kalya. This is pumpkin from Manipur. So big. Get this winter melon, my god, it's so heavy. It must be more than 5 kg. I've got 4 pumpkins and 1 winter melon. Ngasi di trobot ka mairen hek hai. Asi di Manipur day mairen endo yam hao ni. Asi si Manipur gi male. The ingredients are pumpkin from my garden, mustard oil, culantro, garlic, onion is optional, and dry shrimp. Let's cut and peel the pumpkin. Maru se thana ai se thamuni, daga cha na ai se thamge se. I'm trying to cut it roughly. Mustard oil, I'll put 2 tablespoons. Angam thauni. You can use any oil you want. The oil is ready. You can see some smoke coming out. Now I'll put the onion, ginger and garlic. Fry for 1 minute. I've already washed the shrimp. Let's put it. Khajing akang mahap kre. Adum tungda tumha nisi. Salt to taste. Fry it for 1 minute. I'll put chili powder. We usually use bhut jolokia, but today I'm using chili powder. Pumpkin. Mayan hatulese. Water. Put enough water for the gravy. Stir it. Tauraga kumla thongnase munbapao. This is a very simple pumpkin curry. Cover it and cook it until done. Munbapao thongnase. Marak to ot pise. Don't forget to stir in between. The pumpkin has cooked. I'll just stir it so that it will get some thick gravy. Curry is done. Put the culantro, mungre. Check for the seasoning. Let's clean the Anmaru. This is a wild vegetable. Recently we have started planting in our kitchen garden only. And it's a very special vegetable for us. The young shoots, I'll put it just like this. And leaf. Asi ensang mana si ekoi Anmaru kawe. Asi mi atai ni pa khang de ekoi wild vegetable ni ting de phang mani si se chicken gamrok meat pa she me se yam hawe manam si. Ingredients are Anmaru, wild vegetable, chicken. I've got chicken with skin and liver. You can use any parts you like. Garlic and bojolokia. That's all. Let's start preparing it. Put the chicken half lassi. After boiling the chicken for 10 minutes, I'll put the leaf. Chicken si minitra thomam tung the mana si hapini. After 10 minutes, let's put the leaf. Mana si hap chillase. Press it down. Now let's boil the chicken for 20-25 minutes. Let's crush the chili. Put salt. Let's put the garlic. It's done. Just salt, garlic and chili. It's done. Let's switch it off. Let's strain it. Let's check it out and strain it here. Ing halise. Let's cool it down. Ing halise. Let's squeeze out the water. Try to separate the leaf. Shred the chicken to bite-sized pieces. Chicken si sum khut na dum segai rese. I'm using with skin chicken. The water which you have boiled the chicken, don't throw that away. Have it as a soup. Put some garlic, ginger and chili, coriander, and you can have that as a soup. Mix the leaf and the chicken. This is a very delicious chicken salad. Let's put the crushed chili and the garlic. Mix it up nicely. Doesn't mix the weird say. It's done. Check for the salt and the chili. Done. Look at this. Garlic, crushed garlic. Let's put the sliced bitter gourd, potato and onion, soaked shrimp. Then mix also. Salt to taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. Chili powder, you can use fresh chili. Some simple fry ni kasi. Load mo half kilo fry talaga. This is a very simple fry. Put everything and fry it. Cook in low flame until they are cooked. May pikalaga mun pao tong na se marak to at piyo. It's done. Munla. I didn't put any water. Just cook in low flame. Munla kumlase. It's done. This is today's special pumpkin with dry shrimp curry. Mairinga khajing kangba thongmudo ereng sigi. And this is bitter gourd with dry shrimp and potato fry. Khajinga carrot akhabaga thongmudo ereng ngaubudo ereng. So this is my today's special chicken salad. We call it Anmaru lewakum. Let's start enjoying the dishes. How's it again? Wow, this is the Manipuri pumpkin. It's so yum. It's so delicious. How lắm chứ nhỉ? Cái quay mày rồi nhé. Ở đây rất hảo lắm. So môi mày đến đi hảo thế. Mari của mình lại gì đâu đấy. Ising là hảo bia chứ. They go very well, pumpkin and the shrimp. Isn't hard? Bitter gourd fry. Wow, this is also very good. How is it? This is not very bitter. Potato and dry shrimps are there, so they are not bitter in taste. Slightly bitter only. And the special chicken salad. We call this Anmaru leva. This is so good, delicious. Those who know what is this, they must be salivating right now. I'm in heaven. This pumpkin, everything is so amazing. This pumpkin is similar to that of English butternut squash. In my community, this chicken salad has got high value. This pumpkin is full of flavor. It's creamy, delicious. Aina hana Manipur thok paganda bamon gi thali chai. Aduganda bamon na pudana nongman kha badam duga si khading hai ngau di am haun chai. Adu du mana ngai ngau jamni. Du siyam hawe khatak taro. This vegetable has got nice aroma. Pudan haura. Si mairen sing konde ni duri tin haura organic oiba. And the gravy is so creamy, delicious. Just finger licking good. Ramai tare doi namak mairen chang o simit po. Karang po. Sakit chan dia do so. Kada. Kadang saken dabi adre. Ahora pues si mairen di. Inkonda ensang tharaga haurakpa panba duga chaba phangba haibse yam nungai hakchang nong su phaye wakhan chu nungai aide laumi do moining ensang gi lo thora ya aure iduna mairen mari lo adum tungda habju kyu pali. The texture of this pumpkin is similar to sweet potato texture. It's sweet, dense, and creamy. Isi wajib lo sinjarage. Mayang buthagat siri. Mathang du unalisi. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and click the bell icon as well. Bye.